So after sale receipt is called revenue. It has three concepts. First, total revenue. Total revenue formula is total units sold into price, or AR into Q. Q refers to quantity, or next formula is MRN plus MR number plus 1 and so and so. So, or you can say that the summation of MR is equals to TR. So, sigma MR is always be equals to TR. Now, the next one is marginal revenue. So formula for this, the difference of TR, that means TRN minus TRN minus 1 and so and so. So difference of TR is called as MR, or formula is delta TR divided by delta Q. And average revenue. Average revenue formula TR by Q, not delta, delta वर्ड नहीं आएगा इसमें, only TR by Q. सो TR को डिवाइड करेंगे Q से, इज योर एवरेज रेवेन्यू. नोट पॉइंट इज दिस that AR is always be equals to price. So if you are asked to calculate price, that means you have to calculate AR. So these are the three basic formula that I explained in my previous class. So please take the screenshot of this one. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Please raise your hands if you want to ask anything. So students, this is a very important concept to understand in the concept revenue, that what is the curve shape of TR, AR, MR, these TR, AR, MR, and demand curve shape. First case is when price are constant. And I told you price are constant in perfect competition market. सो परफेक्ट कंपटीशन मार्केट में प्राइस आपका सेम होता है, होमोजेनियस गुड्स होती हैं. इफ प्राइस आर सेम, in that case your total revenue will be a 45-degree angle curve. So this is your total revenue. And average revenue, so because price is equals to AR and price are constant, so AR will also be constant, therefore AR will be parallel to x-axis. And if AR is parallel to x-axis, so MR is also equals to AR, therefore MR will also be equals to parallel to x-axis. So these are the different shapes of AR, MR and TR in perfect competition. And in this market, MR or demand curve is also the same one. This is also demand curve in perfect competition. So again, you can take screenshot of this one. So students, the second part is when price falls. So if price decreases or in perfect competition, what are the different shapes of TR, yani total revenue, AR, marginal revenue, or MR? So TR curve will be downward slope. First of all, तो 45 डिग्री का जाएगा, then it will reach maximum point, then start to fall. So this is a TR curve. तो राइज होगा, देन मैक्सिमम पॉइंट पे राइज होने के बाद फॉल करेगा. AR, AR curve will be downward slope straight line like this one. MR will also be downward slope, but MR can be negative, so it can cross x-axis. So like this one, this is MR curve. So if price falls, these are the different shapes of TR, AR, and MR. Again, you can take screenshot of these. So far, I told you the formula of TR, and TR is calculated on the basis of price multiplied by units, or AR multiplied by units, or sum of MR number plus MR number plus 1, and so and so. Next one is MR. MR is the difference of TR. TR n minus TR n minus 1, so and so. And AR. AR is TR divided by Q. And price is always equals to AR. These are the basic formulae that I told you. Now, on the basis of these formulae, suppose units are 1, 2, 3, 4, and price of the goods are, let's say, 10, 8, 6, 4. Now calculate TR, MR, AR. So students, I am giving you some time to solve this question. Formulae are at your screen. So try to solve and raise your hands when you done. So don't worry by doing wrong. If you do wrong, then no problem. Answer will be explained to you shortly. So first of all, solve these and raise your hands. Check out your answers. So first of all, as you can see, you need to calculate TR, and the formula for TR is price multiplied by quantity. So, Yuvraj, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yuvraj, tell me the values of TR.
Sir, 10, 16, 18, and 16.
Yes, these are the perfect values because when you multiply Q into P, तो 10 को 1 से multiply किया, 8 को 2 से, 6 को 3 से, like so on, and this is your TR. Now MR. MR, as you can see, difference of TR. So first write down the value of TR. Then 16 minus 10. नीचे इस 16 में से 10 माइनस करेंगे 6. Now 18 minus 16, 2. Now 16 minus 18 minus 2. This is your MR. And AR, formula for AR is as TR divided by Q. So Ritika, tell me the values of AR.
Sir, 10, 8, 6, 4.
10, 8, 6, 4. क्या किया आपने? इन वैल्यूज को इससे डिवाइड किया, सॉरी, टी आर को क्यू से डिवाइड करेंगे, तो 10 को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे 10, 16 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 8, एंड सो ऑन. दीज आर योर ए आर. और फॉर चेकिंग यू कैन सी ए आर इज इक्वल्स टू प्राइस. So if AR is not equals to price, that means you have made somewhere mistake. So make sure your answers are perfect after calculating. You cannot write same as, but you have to calculate this. So you can take screenshot for this solution also. Now I'm giving you one more question for practice purpose. So let's say units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now suppose MR I'm giving as 10, 8, 5, 0, minus 3. Now calculate TR, AR. So look, as I told you, the formula for TR is also the summation of MR. So sum of MR like 10. Now 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 0, 23.
20.
23 minus 3, 20. This will be the value of TR. Now value of AR I told you TR divided by Q. So if you divide TR by Q, so Tushar Bharadwaj, tell me the values of TR.
Sir, 10, 9, 7.66, 5.75, and sir, last में sir 4.
So this is the value of AR. All the students check the values. If there is any correction, tell me. So this is the solution of TRAR. I hope you got the meaning now. Now the next question. Suppose now next question is, now in this question calculate TRMR. So as you can see, the values of TR is multiply by AR into Q. So it is 10, 18, 24, 28 and 30. And values of MR difference of TR. So it will be 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. Now look at the next question. Suppose units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now students, complete this table. The fill in the blanks I have given to you. Now you have to complete these gaps. Now, whenever you see these kind of blank fill in the blanks questions, so these questions are supplement to each other. एक दूसरे से ये क्वेश्चंस किए जाते हैं. अब आप पहले जो इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हो, आप पहले उन वैल्यूज को फिलअप कर लो. क्या आप कर सकते हो? आपके पास कुछ AR है, तो उनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे क्यू से, तो आप TR निकाल सकते हो. तो आपने 7 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 28, 5 को 5 से किया 25. ये वैल्यूज आपने अभी निकाल लिए. ये सबको क्लियर हो गया होगा. नाउ आप TR फाइंड कर सकते हो MR से भी. MRN प्लस 1 एंड सो एंड सो. तो पहले एक नंबर 1 पे MR 20 है, तो नंबर 1 पे TR भी 20 होगा. फिर आपको पता है कि TR में से माइनस करते हैं तो MR आता है. इसका मीनिंग 35 में से 20 माइनस करेंगे, ये 15 आएगा. इसका मीनिंग इस वैल्यू में से जो भी यहां पर होगी, इसमें से 35 को माइनस करके 10 आया होगा. तो आप क्या करो, इस 35 में 10 को प्लस कर दो, तो इसके सामने वाली वैल्यू आपको मिल जाएगी. तो 35 प्लस 10 इट्स अ 45। अब आप इस 28 में से 45 को माइनस कर दो तो आपको ये वाली वैल्यू मिल जाएगी, इट विल बी इन नेगेटिव। सो अगर आपने 28 में से माइनस करते हैं आप 45 को, तो इट विल बी -17। लाइकवाइज आप 25 में से माइनस करते हैं 28 को, तो इट विल बी -3। अब आप ए आर फाइंड कर लेंगे, तो ए आर का फॉर्मूला आपको पता ही है, टी आर बाई क्यू, ये हो गया 20। 35 को 2 से करेंगे 17.5 और इट विल बी 15। I hope your values are perfect. So if you have any doubt, you can ask.